DXYZ Stock next week, Monday. Is it a buy or sell? Let's see where is Destiny Tech 100 stock going in the next upcoming days, weeks, and months. We're sitting at $29, right? 42% down. It's absolutely crazy. That's only Friday, right? Last week's performance, like overall, we were like 51% down. So that's even more, right? But it's still a demand area. Demand area, it's a demand area. Now, before I get into the details, just to give you context, I'm using my strategy that has given me thousands of wins in 2023. And I'm telling you this because that's the truth and I've documented everything. So the only way that I'm going to continue to take this thing higher is the following. So uh, this is still a valid one, right? But because we have a very big bearish momentum here, there is no point for me to just go and just be bullish here like out of nowhere blindly. No, I want to see first bulls take place. So that means with a double break, so that's exactly what I'm waiting for, the wake of accumulation. So I want to see accumulation happening. So this is a higher probability approach, higher probability trade. It's obviously not financial advice, and I'm really just waiting for more data, meaning more candles. For more volume and resources, check out the first link in the description.